Hello everybody, and happy Homebrew Wednesday to you. Just going to be a short one this week. Not that much to tell you. We're just having a quick one. It's my American wheat that I did. Just seeing how it's coming along, and I think it's ready enough now to maybe send a couple of thank you bottles out for people signing my flag. It's not too bad. So you can see in the background there, I'm just brewing my chocolate milk stout. That boiler's just coming up to boil. It's in 90s now, so not long for it's boiling. My Mosaic IPA is still bubbling very, very slowly now, which is at back there. So it's Wednesday now. I'm thinking Monday or Tuesday. I've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday off, so Monday or Tuesday I'll be able to bottle that. And then that's like 2 all grains I've got bottled up. Like I said, I'm doing my milk chocolate stout. I'm going to cube it and I'm going to pitch that tomorrow. So another couple of weeks and hopefully that'll be done. Oh, and a question about that. I've got some cocoa nibs in with it, and it says, what's it say? 4 days into fermentation, add cocoa nibs. Put them in some vodka if you want, sterilise them, blah blah blah. I have heard, do you get more flavour from them if you roast them? And if you do, what sort of temperatures do you roast them at and how long? Now, it doesn't tell you to roast them in this recipe, it just says wang them in, 4 days in. So, what's people's thoughts on that? Should I just follow the recipe and just tip them in? Or should I roast them? Because I don't really know. It's the first time I've ever used them. So if anybody could leave a comment and help me out with that, I'd appreciate it. And brewing wise, that's it. I've nothing else to brew at the minute. I don't know whether I've seen a few of you do it, and I might be tempted. At back under there, I've got a couple of kilo of Marisotta. I've got some crystal, bits and bats. I've got loads of quarter empty bags of hops and stuff. I didn't know whether just to chuck something together and just see what comes out. I think Rusty did one not long back, a cleared out brew, and then buy in and start again fresh. So my next brew is either going to be something like that where I just clear that lot out, or I don't know whether to carry on doing these all grain kits for a little bit longer. This will be my third one, purely because I'm still getting used to my system a little bit. It looks like now I've done 2 brews and I've lost in boil. I'm losing roughly around 4 or 5 litres just boiling off, evaporating. So I'm just compensating. Like with this brew, I've sparged an extra 2 litres because the recipe's been for 26 litres of water, and I've been like just getting 22, stuff like that, 21. So I'm just getting used to what sort of numbers I get left with. And these kits, they're all aiming for 26 litres of water after boil. So I think I might be better just carrying on with them for a little bit longer until I just dial it in that I know what extra I need to leave, what I lose in bottom of my boiler, things like that. You know what I mean. I'm just getting used to it, and I reckon this is my 3rd brew, so I reckon what 4 or 5 brews in, I'll have it dialed in, and then I can start experimenting with my own recipes and some of your recipes. So that's my brewing really. Not really else brewing. Gifts. We went out on the Saturday, and a coupling group that we went out with, they'd been, you know, I forgot where he said, they'd been to a pub in Dales or somewhere, and he brought me a tasting paddle back from this pub. It was behind bar, and he cheekily just said, "Do you ever use it?" And said no, and he asked if he could have it, and they let him have it, and he got it for me. It's a Marsden's, and it's same at both ends, paddle, and 3 tasting glasses, Marsden tasting glasses. And he's no use for it, but he knew I would have in my bar, so I've now got 2 of these. If you remember, I've got the one daughter got me, and now I've this one what friends got me. So I think that's spot on. And I think, lads, that's about it this week. Just a short one. You've seen what I'm brewing, what I'm drinking, what gifts I've had. So I'll catch you next time. Cheers, everybody.